Hello everyone, this is Healthy Options with Maureen. Today we are making some banana bread with some wholesome ingredients. Very healthy, very little honey and sweetener. Come with me as we make this. I know for sure you will like this. Don't forget to subscribe if you've not. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you. So these are the ingredients we'll be needing for our banana bread. We'll be needing some whole wheat pastry flour. You can also use atta flour, the Indian atta flour, the Indian whole wheat flour that is finely ground. Some overripe smashed bananas, vegetable oil. I prefer to use coconut oil, but if you can't find that, any neutral tasting vegetable oil will work. Some oat flour, a little bit of oats. If you can't find oat flour, you can substitute your oats for your oat flour. That will still work. You need some baking soda, cinnamon, salt, some milk, eggs, and we also need some honey. So we'll go ahead and combine our dry ingredients. So into our bowl goes the whole wheat pastry flour. Like I said, if you can't find this, you can use the Indian atta flour. That's the whole wheat flour that has been ground finely. The Indians use it mainly for their flatbread. Then our oats, oat flour, baking soda, cinnamon powder and salt, they all go in. Right now I'm going to give it a really good whisk, mix everything up really nicely. So we just finished combining the dry ingredients, so I'll be setting this aside. And for the wet ingredients, the egg goes in. I'm going to give that a quick whisk. The smashed banana goes in, vegetable oil, the honey goes in as well, and then last but not the least, the milk. I'm going to give that a quick stir to combine. Just a thorough stir. And then now we'll be adding in our dry ingredients. It goes into the wet mixture. And then we'll be stirring to combine as well. You don't overstir this. Once you're able to combine the mixture, then that's all you need. So right here we have a pan that has been well greased with butter. So I'll be adding on our butter into the pan right now. So we've gotten all our butter into the pan. Usually this is very optional. I like to add on some banana slices on top that way, but this is not compulsory. I just like to do that. I like to sprinkle on just a little bit of brown sugar on the banana slices on each one. Just a little bit, because it helps caramelize the bananas and give it a nice color by the time it's cooked. So I've been preheating my oven for some time now. We are baking at 175 degrees Celsius, so this will be going straight into the oven, and once it's cooked, I'll come back and show you what it looks like by the time it's ready. So the banana bread has been out of the oven for a while and it has cooled down, and I've been able to slice into it. You can see how moist it looks. It actually tastes great. The kids always love this. I hope you give this recipe a go and let us know what your take is on this. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and give us a thumbs up if you like this. Also share as well. Thank you.